Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, panoramic sunroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, leather seats, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.